it's never cut like this before. Never. Let's keep going though. I don't know, like, I have mixed feelings about it.
I'ma stay to it, yeah. Tell me, are you pushing? Do you love somebody?
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another video. If you are a part of Leesh Nation, then welcome back, and if you're not, then hi, what's up? My name's Alicia, and I'm going to be showing you how you can make your own P.Louise base, how you can make different colors and different shades for this base to really make your eyeshadow looks pop without spending all of your coins. So I'm just going to be trying out a hack that I seen on Facebook. It was actually this post right here, so I'll give her credit because that's where I first seen it. I'm going to be trying it out to see if it is actually a hack or a fail. Okay, you guys, by the way, excuse my frizzy hair. We're on day 2 curls. We kind of frizzy today. Let's get into these eyebrows. I already have an eyebrow routine on my channel. I'm going to plug the video in right here. You can go check that out, but for now I will be right back. So now all we have to do is the face, and then I'll be right back so that we can get into this eyeshadow and see if this base is going to work or not. So according to the post, basically what the girl did was she mixed a concealer or foundation with shadow, mixed it up, and created her own pigmented color. I'm going to just record on my phone so you guys can see me actually mixing the stuff together. So all you're going to need is either a full coverage concealer, any kind of concealer as long as it is full coverage. I'm going to be using Tarte Shape Tape. You could also use like Makeup Revolution, like any kind of concealer or foundation as long as it's full coverage. I'm just cleaning my mixing plate right here. Alright, so this is my concealer right here. You guys are going to see, but that's my concealer. So now you're going to need a very light shadow. It doesn't have to be white, it could be beige based on your skin tone. That's up to you. So if you're a more fair person, if you have a lighter complexion, then obviously use a shadow that's lighter than your skin tone. We're going to do this to create the base so that the base on your eyelid can be very bright and light so that the color can really show up on your skin. I'm going to be using like a white from this palette, and I'm just going to be mixing it with this concealer just to lighten it up. Oh, you know what? You definitely. Now I'm just going to scrape off some of this white color. I'm just going to scrape it onto this concealer. Just like that. But I'm just going to mix this up until it's a little bit smooth. So now that you have your base mixed up, this is just the natural base that I'm going to be using. I will add color into it later down the line when I actually want to add color onto my eye. But for now, we just need the base to get started with. I'm going to take some of this base that I made, and I'm just going to put it on my eye. And right off the bat, it looks very thick. I literally just had a little bit that was on this end. So let's blend this out. But I can definitely tell powders in it. It's drying down like super duper matte. I don't know why I've been feeling so warm lately when it's coming to eyeshadow, but I'm going to use this Picante palette. I'm going to take this color right here called Harvest, and I'm just going to start blending it into my eye. Let me just see real quick. Let me add like some shadow right here and just see how pigmented it comes up. Okay. That's pretty pigmented right there. So let's see. And it's like easy to blend out still. I don't know y'all. I don't know, I'm kind of really liking it. I'm going with this mauve color right here called Spice. Taking a brown. I'm going to take a black shadow out of this Cardi palette. Alright, so I'm going to take some of this base. It's so thick, yo. And I'm just going to start cutting my crease. You guys, I don't know what's going on right now, but I love it. You guys, I think this is a dupe. for P.Louise. Like, I don't know, sis, it's not cutting like how my Shape Tape was cutting before. It's cutting like it is a thick, high quality eyeshadow base. It's never cut like this before. Perfect. Okay, let's keep going. Let's keep going. Do y'all see this? It's like acting like a magnet towards the eyeshadow, just like sucking it up. Sis, stop playing. My shadow, to be honest, I've been using this palette for a minute and it's never come up. That color right there has never come up that pigmented before, just using the plain Shape Tape. Let's see once I add the color to it, how it's gonna really transform. Let's mix it in with some color to just really see if we can get it to really act like how the bases act. And you don't have to use your favorite eyeshadows, you know. You could just buy a cheap palette. Like I have a Take Me Back to Brazil palette from BH Cosmetics, and it's cheaper. It's not turning the color I want it to, but I think it's because it's already colored. Since your concealer has pigment to it, it's not going to change the color of your concealer. It'll just change the undertone of it, change it. So what we're going to need to do is we're going to need some kind of white base so that it can absorb the color. So back to the drawing board. I'm going to take this off and we're going to try one more time. I'm going to squirt a pump on here like that. I'm going to take some neon here and I'm just going to scrape a little bit out. And then now I'm just going to mix this up. So we're going to put some of this on our eye and we're going to see how it applies. So I actually didn't peep, my camera cut off and I'm so sorry. I didn't realize, but I'm sorry. What happened so far is I got the liner on, the colored base on. I'm going to add some shadow onto it to see how well it picks up color as well. I have mixed feelings about it. Like, I kind of wish the concealer and foundation trick would have worked alone, so you don't have to go out and buy a white pigment, you know. But at the same time, I feel like it looks really, really, really dope. I'm just gonna do my other eye real quick. Now I'm going to actually add more of that neon pigment we mixed up just to really make it pop. I feel like we lost the precision when I added the shadow on top here, and I kind of want that back. It kind of just takes a little bit of patience since it's so thick. That's how it looks. I'm just going to put on some mascara, lashes, and a lip, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back with the finished look. I absolutely love it. My eyeshadow has never came out this good before. Like, as far as the color payoff and even just that liner that I created with this method, I think this is dope and I think this is a game changer. I still want to try the P.Louise base just because I still want to try it, just so I can really, you know if I like it better or not. But I can definitely postpone for a little while and save my money because it gave me exactly what I was looking for. So I don't know, what do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. Do you think it's a hack or do you think it's a fail? But yeah, that wraps up today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and if you haven't already, please subscribe so you do not miss another video. And yeah, all right, that's it for today's video, guys. Bye. Thanks for watching.